Welcome. If you want to stay up to date with the latest news, updates, and events from your favorite Roblox communities, turning on community announcement notifications is the way to go. In this guide, I'll walk you through the simple steps to enable these notifications right from your Roblox mobile app. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Roblox app installed on your device. This ensures you have access to all the newest features and notification options. Start by opening the Roblox app on your mobile device and logging into your account. Once you're in, look toward the bottom right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 dots labeled More. Go ahead and tap on that. Now, you'll be taken to a new menu. Scroll down until you find the Settings option and tap to open it. Inside the Settings menu, look for Notifications. Tap on Notifications to access all the notification preferences available for your account. Here, you'll see a section called Mobile Push Notifications. Tap on this option to expand it. You'll find a list of different notification types you can enable, including friend requests, chat messages, group announcements, and more. What we're looking for is community announcements. Find community announcements in the list and toggle the switch to turn it on. When the switch turns green, you'll know it's enabled. From now on, you'll receive push notifications whenever there's a new announcement from the Roblox communities you follow. If you ever want to adjust your preferences, just return to this menu and toggle the notifications on or off as you like. Customizing your notifications is a great way to stay informed without being overwhelmed. And that's it. You're all set to receive community announcement notifications on Roblox Mobile. Now you'll never miss an important update or event from your favorite groups and creators. Thanks for watching and enjoy staying connected with the Roblox community.